welcome to Puzzle Time ×1. Our hand today is going to be in Declare's chair. And the tip of the puzzle, let's see, a hint for the puzzle would be entry management. That's going to be your tip for today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's take a look at this hand. And the auction has gone 2 spades by west, past 4 spades by east, 6 hearts by south. South doesn't really have a constructive bid over this preemptive auction. That's the benefit of being an aggressive preemptor. And the opening lead was the king of spades. So dummy comes down, and I can tell you more hands are made or broken at trick 1. So you want to take your time at trick 1, identify your master hand because it's a trump suit. The master hand is south, and the north hand is the cover hand, the cover card hand, right? So master hand is south. We're going to count losers from the master hands. That's the long trump hand. And the cover card hand is north. We're going to use cards in North's hand to cover losers in South's hand. Now, some of you are probably looking at North going, and what winners do they have that might cover losers in South's hand? Well, that club suit is going to come into play. And finding an entry to North's hand is going to allow us to take a diamond finesse. So it gives us 2 opportunities to make our 6 heart contract. Counting losers in the South hand, I would not count any heart losers. I would count 2 diamond losers because anytime you say it depends, then you count it as a loser. And then I don't have any club losers. So the whole hand comes down to the diamond suit. The diamond suit is our working suit. We have 2 losers in it. We only have to eliminate one of those losers, right? We don't have to eliminate both. We can afford one loser, but we have to eliminate one diamond loser. Technique-wise, I would identify the finesse technique. If I can get to North's hand, I can lead a low diamond up to South's queen of diamonds and play east for the king. All right, that's technique number 1. And then I note my club suit. Now, it's not a high odds division of 3-3. 3-3 is approximately 33% of the time. But if it happens, that 4th club in North's hand would be what we call an extra winner to discard the 4 of diamonds on, assuming we can get to North's hand. And then we can take a finesse for an over trick. We always like over tricks. Over tricks win us lots of points when we're playing match points. So notice all of the techniques require an entry to North's hand. So all of this thinking I've done at trick 1 before I've even played a spade from the dummy. I know I'm going to trump the spade at trick 1. I'm going to trump this spade. I know that. But I want to do my full analysis while I have all 26 cards in front of me, instead of playing to the first trick and then starting to think. On this hand, it's particularly important, and on a lot of hands, it's particularly important to think about the full hand before you play to trick 1. So in this case, the entry is actually in the trump suit. The 2 of hearts is the biggest card in South's hand. See that 2 of hearts right there? That's the biggest card. You can have all these gorgeous ace, king, queen, jack, 10s, but what the 2 of hearts does for you is allows you an entry to move from South's to North's hand to enjoy either the extra winner in the clubs, if clubs happen to break 3-3. Odds are against us, but we might as well try it. It's called combining techniques, right? Combining chances. And then it allows us to get to North's hand to either cash the club and discard a diamond away, or to take a diamond finesse, or both, right? So at trick 1, we need to preserve the 2 of hearts by trumping high. Trump with any other card in your hand. Trump with the ace of hearts to get style points, right? You've got 11 hearts. You don't need your ace, king, queen, jack, 10 to pull trump, to eliminate the trump in the defender's hands. They only have 2 hearts in their hand, right? So make a style point by trumping with the ace of hearts. You don't get any extra points on your score, but it makes the whole table go, woo, the ace of hearts, wow. And that's what I called style points. Then go about pulling your trump. And trumps were 1-1, so no need to play any more trumps. Now we're going to test the club suit to see if clubs were 3-3. So we play 3 rounds of clubs. Everyone follows on the first round. Everyone follows on the second round. And then on the third round, we watch carefully. West follows and East follows. Now, if I show you all the cards, what's left is the 5 of clubs in North's hand is an extra winner. And this is when we want to use our 2 of hearts to travel over to North's hand to enjoy that 5 of clubs that we just set up through long suit development. So we play the 2 of hearts because we carefully preserved it at trick 1. West discards over to the 4. You could play the 5 or the 6. They're all equal, right? Again, style points, 2 to the 4. Cash that 5 of clubs. Discard a diamond away. And now you've made your contract. Look at South's hand. All you have is a diamond loser left, and you haven't lost any tricks. You've made 6 hearts, but don't stop playing now, right? Go ahead and take the diamond finesse. Maybe East has the king, and you make an over trick. Now on this hand, West had the king, so you only make 6. These types of hands where I have to play carefully at trick 1, I sort of hope that the finesse loses, because all of the players who didn't pay attention at trick 1 to entry management are going to go down because the finesse loses. Whereas I'm going to make my contract because I had an entry to North's hand to enjoy the extra winner in clubs and discard away one of my diamond losers. Even though if the finesse works, I'm going to be making an extra trick because I found a way to the dummy, because I preserved my 2 of hearts at trick 1, whereas the other players who don't have an entry to the dummy don't get to enjoy the 5 of clubs and have to lead away from their ace queen of diamonds. Let me put the whole hand back up so you can see what I'm saying, what I'm talking about. If you don't preserve that 2 of hearts, if you trump at trick 1 with the 2 of hearts, well, the best you can do now is pull 1 round of hearts. You can cash your ace king of clubs and queen of clubs. And then you can look forlornly at the 5 of clubs and go, oh man, if I only had an entry. And you look at your 7 of hearts and go, that's not getting me there. Now you're left at just leading a diamond out. You could lead a low diamond out and let East win it, right? And East is going to either play another spade and put you back in your hand. That's probably what East would do. Let's see, did West, oh, West won the trick, so sorry. West would probably lead a spade to force you to get back into your hand. And then you have to cash your ace of diamonds and give up a diamond trick. And you lose those 2 diamonds and you don't have a chance of making. At this point, you have all trump left, right? Huge difference at trick 1. And the only way to get to trumping high is to do the full analysis. Identify your master hand, count your losers, find your working suit, and then ask yourself, well, what are my techniques? And if your techniques require transportation, think entry management at trick 1. Okay. That does it for us for our puzzle time ×1. If you have any questions, you know where to find me, donna@playbetterbridge.com. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.